We're here at the Nextivity Experience Centre in San Diego, in the amazing part of the USA. And we're having a look here at the Go products. We've got here the CEL-FI Go G41. It's an amazing product. In Australia, we have two variations of this. We have one variation to cover us with Optus and Telstra, and we have another variation to cover us with Vodafone. It's important to make sure you know what version you're getting for what you're doing, as even though the version that works on Telstra and Optus can also be used on Vodafone, it's not 100% compatible with some of their network. Up above we have the G41. So this has got one radio in it that will also do band 71, which is for the 3.5 gigahertz spectrum. And it has one radio to cover LTE. So you can do LTE and 5G in this at the same time, depending on what's available in the area. Now, some neighbouring products we have around this, which we don't currently have in Australia, but are rather exciting products to look at, is the Nextivity Go G43. Inside it is 3 of the G41s, all correctly balanced out with correct power levels and everything out the top. A really nice compact unit, which would allow us to serve all 3 carriers from the Go product. It's an alternative to using the Quatra product. I think it has great potential for what could be done in our country. So we'll see whether this comes to market. There's a lot of things we currently can do really well with what is in market. So if you need help with your connectivity in building, reach out to us. We've got solutions to help you, be it the Quatra or the Go, and we can do all 3 carriers. Look forward to talking with you soon.